Hello students, today we all have learned about the plant groups Bryophyta. In the previous session we all have learned about the Thallophyta, but today we all have learned about the groups Bryophyta. Bryophyta. What are the special features of bryophytes? How can identify it is a bryophytes or other plant groups? So the main features of bryophytes is as number one, the bryophytes found on the moist and sandy places. They are found on the moist and sandy places. Second, these are the plant group which first of all colonize on the land. The main plant body or dominant plant body is gametophytes, which are haploid in nature, composed of half numbers of chromosomes. The plant body is differentiated leafy-like structures and rhizoids, not true roots but root-like structures. They show alternation of generation. Alternation of generation means N, 2N, N, 2N, 2N to N. Gametophyte after sporophyte, sporophyte to gametophytes. These both generations comes alternatively in the life cycle of the plants. Life cycle of the plants. The bryophytes is known as the amphibians of plant kingdom because the water is necessary for the fertilization. So it is known as the amphibians of plant kingdom. Various examples of bryophytes: Rixia, Marcessia, Sphagnum, Funaria, etc. Based on the germination of spores, the bryophytes are differentiated into two groups. Number one, liverworts, and second is mosses. Liverworts and mosses. What are the basis for the differentiation of this? The main basis of differentiation is this: the germination of spores. How germination spores after landing on the soil. When the spores directly develop as a new plants, thallus-like structures known as liverworts, whereas other mosses which does not direct develop as a new plant body is known as mosses. The intermediate structures is first of all formed. These intermediate then develop in a adult plant bodies. So first of all we know the special features of liverworts. The liverworts plant body is thallus-like. It does not differentiate root, stem and leaves. They are found in moist and sandy places. The life cycle is haplodiploidic type. They are dioecious they are dioecious. Some male and female reproductive organs are present in the different plant bodies. Example, Rixia, Marchantia, etc. Liverworts, various examples. It is a liverworts. The male branch, it is the female branch. Both are different. Next is the mosses. Mosses. The mosses plant bodies are differentiated into leaves, stems, and root-like structures, rhizoids. True roots is absent in them, but root-like structures, rhizoids, is present. The main plant body is haploid forms. The main plant body is haploid forms. And also it is a dominant phase. These are also found in the moist and sandy places. They show alternation of generation. Water is necessary for fertilization. Two generations comes alternatively in the life of mosses. So then the life cycle of mosses is as life cycle of mosses as the main plant body is gnatophytic. Gnatophytic. The main branch composed of female reproductive organs and side branch composed of male reproductive organ antheridia. Female reproductive organs organ. The male reproductive organ is the club shaped. It composed of male gametes and thyroids. While the female gametes composed of funnel shaped structure known as archegonia. Funnel shaped structure archegonia. The archegonia are composed of eggs. The antherizoids enters in the neck region of the archegonia and fertilization takes place. fertilization takes place and zygote forms. The zygote, the two end, zygote. Zygote is forms. Zygote. The zygote germinates and forms embryo. The embryo develop into sporophytes. Develops into sporophytes. The sporophytes composed of capsule in which spores are formed. The spores are diploid first of all. After some times, reduction division takes place. Meiosis or RD. Reduction division takes place and the spores convert into haploid forms. And then it converts into a filamentous structure known as proteinema. The proteinema, greenish and autotrophic structures. After some times, it develop into adult gametophytes. Gametophytes, sporophytes. Sporophytes. Two-end. All these cases are two-end. Whereas the upper region N. Gametophyte, N2, 2N, 2N, 2N. These phases repeated alternatively. What are the economic importance of bryophytes in our life? The economics, the various species of bryophytes are grow on the rocky hill regions by which soil formation start. It provide layers for the tall plants to survive them, and some species of the bryophytes to contain much power of water, so it is used for the transportation of plants from one region to another region for the plantation. Some species of bryophytes use as the fuel. Peat are obtained from the species of bryophytes which are used as fuels. It also increases the fertility of soil and the various other usefulness in our life.